morning, Beshies, and welcome back sa aking YouTube channel. Andito na ulit ngayon ang inyong Ate Jaja for today's vlog. Again, as promised, this is another vlog which is same face ng previous vlog ko because I'm gonna show you now yung mga nabili ko dito sa US and mag-unpack tayo. So, pretty much, marami akong iniwang gamit dito because of course, babalik naman ako dito. So, iniwan ko yung mga pwede for winter clothes or any clothes sa pambahay para hindi ko na siya dala kasi dadalhin ko na naman pabalik. So, at least I have some clothes here. But I'm gonna show you yung mga favorite stores ko or mga favorite kong pinuntahan. Yung isang luggage ko was fully packed. Ayoko na siyang guluhin. But it has the pasalubong to my mom, to my aunt, and to my tita. To my cousin, rather. So, pakita ko na lang sa inyo yung mga pictures dito. Ito yung sa ate ko, pasalubong ko ng wallet. Ito yung sa tita ko, pasalubong ko na bag. And then, yung bag naman was bigay ni boyfriend kay mama. So, hindi ko na siya papakita kasi, you know, that's special between the two of them. But anyway, I'm gonna show you yung mga pasabay, yung mga ipapack natin para wala na akong kalat dito sa bahay. So, let's go! So, ayan. Siyempre, ang hirap mag-vlog. Naluloka ako. Anyway, singitan natin siya nito. Yeah. Okay. Siguro pwede na yan, no? For today's vlog. So, pakita ko sa inyo yung mga nabili ko. And just a heads up, super duper kalat talaga ng area na to. Which I feel bad kasi sobrang kalat na niya for the past few days. So, kailangan ko na talaga siyang ayusin para hindi na siya nakakalat dito kasi nakakahiya naman kay boyfriend na super dami kong kalat. So, I also have my coffee. Of course, I made it with a caramel macchiato creamer na binili ni boyfriend. But this is the first thing I wanted to show you, yung bag na nabili ko. Hindi siya branded na bag, but this one is what I wanted for office. So, yun. Ito, nilagay ko na yung blanket na binili ko, yung friend's blanket. I also have tissue wipes. Yung passport ko is also here, power bank. So, pretty much ito na yung dala ko na isa sa mga personal bag ko during my tour. Ito naman yung mga gamit na iiwanan ko dito. So, ayan. Ito yung mga towel ko, yung bahay ko. So, yun yung mga damit. Kaya sabi ko, di ba, may extra luggage ako for everything. So, I still have some clothes here. Ito, ipapack ko rin siya ng maayos. But these are the candies that I bought. So, we have here Skittles. Kasi, you know, I like Skittles. And, wala lang. That's one of the really good chocolates. Oh, of course, we also have here Kit Kat. Kit Kat Jumbo bag. So, we have here Kit Kat. Yung mga pasalubong for my office mate, for my family, mga backend. We also have here Reese's, Kit Kat, Hershey's, and Almond Joy na magkakaibang flavor. These are all pasalubong. And this one is for VL because she likes Skittles. So, binalan ko siya ng isang bag na resealable lang. This one is for VL. And then I also have here a tape and pen. Kasi I want to write down kung para kanino, para hindi ko na sila ma-missed. Parang balikbayan, di ba? Yung nilagay na pasalubong. Actually, may may gunting doon, but I'd rather just do this. I mean, magkikita naman din kami, but I just want to write to VL Love Ate. Hi, who's the best ate in the whole wide world? This one is also Nutella. VL Nutella to ha, for real. And it has the cover naman na Nutella. But natanggal na kasi to, so yeah, it's not take the risk. So, yan. For the unpack ulit tayo. Tape pa natin kasi we'll never know paano pwede mangyari dito sa packaging na to. Namalib ko pa yung spelling. Nilagay ko VL and then VL. Anyway, that's for VL. So this one is an empty bag. mabenta ng basura. And this naman, on the other hand, ito yung mga pabili sa akin. This Twinkies for Annie. So, pakita ko muna yung laman ng bag and then hindi ko napakita yung pagbabox ko. This one, sabi ni boyfriend, favorite niya to na cake among all the Little Debbie na flavored. So, this one is for me, but I'm gonna share this to my family. Kasi sabi dito, ang dalawang cake is 320 calories. So, grabe ang taas ng calories niya. This one's for me. I also have here some Snickers and Twix. So, for family din to and friends. So, pagdating ko sa Pilipinas, saka pa lang ako mag-aayos sa mga pasalubong. Kasi medyo madami akong nabili na chocolate. And of course, it's okay. Dahil marami rin akong pamilya at kaibigan na bibigyan. So, we have Snickers here. So, bali, 4 na box ng Twinkies yung dala ko. Kasi yung 3 was pabili sa akin. Actually, 4 is pabili. Ayan. Meron din na pabili sa akin ng ito, pabili din sa akin to sa pasabay, Andes na mint thins na flavor chocolate. Ito, kay Doktora to. Ayan, pabili rin siya sa akin ng Biscoff na cookie butter. And kay Marley naman, ito, pabili niya naman to sa akin tong Fannie Mae. Sikat ang chocolate na to. It's so sikat here to the point that you would see big stores na ito lang yung binibenta. Like Fannie Mae nakalagay. Dito, I mean, at least dito sa Chicago. But this one is from, let's see, where is this from? Some state ba to? Comment down below if alam nyo. But this one says, ano nakalagay? Walang nakalagay. Oh, Ohio. Distributed by Fannie Mae Confections brand, North Canton, Ohio. So yeah, this one is from Ohio. So, ito ang current situation ng first part ng aking luggage. And then, we also have here some few items pa. Feeling ko, kailangan kong buhatin si Hugsy. But, I don't know what to do. Anyway, we have here, ito yung binili ko naman. This one is Up and Up na hair, skin, and nail gummies na biotin. Collagen support. It says 2 gummies and then as dietary supplement, adults can take 2 gummies per day, chewed thoroughly before swallowing. Wala man nakalagay, but I need this kasi nga grabe yung falling hair ko. And grabe din magsugat ng hands ko dito dahil malamig, mainit. Anyway, let's take 2. And then, may binili pala akong 2 fish oil for mama. Ayun, kasi kailangan niya ng mga ganitong fish oil na vitamins. This one is Wild Alaskan. So, 720 milligrams omega per serving. So, sabi ni boyfriend, mas maganda to. Itong mas mataas na omega, kaya ito yung binili ko. 2 bottles for my mama, 100 soft gels. Ang sabi dito, 2 soft gels siya per day. So, ma, this is for you. And itong last na binili ko, which I tried last night. And guys, I am telling you, this works like a charm. Grabing sarap ng tulog ko. Itong Immunity Sleep. I can confirm na sa first take ko nito last night, anong oras na ako nagising. Tapos straight yung tulog ko, guys. Kaya parang, Diyos ko, naloka ako. This one is Immunity Sleep plus elderberry, rest up and recharge, melatonin and echinacea, zinc and vitamin C. So, super legit. And the last thing that we have here, ito na yung mga pasalubong ko for my teams. Meron tayo itong mga iba't ibang klase ng soap. This one's for me, conditioner, deep conditioner. Ang dami kong biniling sabon. And this one is for my tita. Ayan, isanin. Mga sabon pa, mga face mask. Ang dami ko din binili mga face mask. Ayan, ito naman yung mga ibang pasalubong ko for my team. And sabon-sabon. That's it. So guys, as promised, ito na yung gagawin kong chicken katsu curry. So ang favorite kasi na part na chicken ni boyfriend is Thai part. So, boneless na siya. Pinitpit ko lang siya. Hindi pa ako na English doon. And then, nilagyan ko siya ng salt and pepper. So, papahingayin muna natin siya. Meanwhile, magkagayat naman ako ng potatoes and then itong napakalaking sibuyas na yan. Siguro half lang na ito yung gagamitin ko and then the rest I'll use for the pasta tomorrow along with dun sa isang tira ko na patatas. I mean, sibuyas. So, na-chop ko na yung patatas, guys. And ito naman yung carrots nila dito. Ito siya, guys. So, chop na siya. Ayan na. Na-mention ko siya last time na maliliit lang yung mga carrots dito. So, I chose this one instead. So, ito guys, yung gagamitin kong curry, golden curry. Ito na lahat ng setup ko guys. And then, chicken, breadcrumbs, and ito yung mixture na ginawa ko. Nalagyan ko siya ng konting MSG, ng more, kasi wala akong dalang magic sarap dito. But ayan yung batter. So, I added na yung chicken stock guys. Nilahat ko na siya kasi hindi man siya gagamitin ng boyfriend ko. So, ayan. And then, pakuluin lang natin siya and then we'll add the curry cubes. Guys, grabe. Sobrang crispy niyan. Ang perfect talaga ng pagka-prito kasi ang sarap ng curry. Not to brag, but I love that. So good. So, nagpa-plating na ako guys. Grabe. So, ang sarap talaga. Ang crunchy niyan siya. Next day vlog, you guys. And sorry if ganito na yung itsura ko. I've been very, very sad talaga kasi I know naman and sabi nga ng boyfriend ko, don't be sad kasi magkikita naman din kami ulit. We're not, ano ba yan? Nakakaiyak pala. We're not breaking up naman. Alam mo yun, hindi naman, parang wala naman magbago. It's just that the long distance, I think, I would say that ito yung relationship na to, I was just so happy. I was just so happy the entire 17 days that I've stayed here. And to me, it felt like it was a routine. Yung pagdadating siya, I would give him a hug. Tapos, he would work for a bit. Ako naman, I would work for a bit din pagdating niya. And then after that, he would ask me na mag-prepare kasi lalabas kami and I don't know where we're going. And then pagdating naman namin, dala namin yung mga groceries and then I will start cooking and then we'll have dinner, we'll watch the movie together. So that has been our routine for the entire 17 days. Yun lang, medyo hindi lang ako siguro naging emotionally prepared because I was so attached. And it's painful. Nababalik ako ng... Don't get me wrong. Right now, I'm in the Philippines by the time you watch this. But it's just so painful pala talaga. Angge and I were talking about this na parang shit nakakalungkot na mahiwalay sa partner mo. Anyway, I called my best friend last night para maglabas ng mga iyak and all. Wala, ang hirap pala ng long distance. Mababaliw. Nakakabaliw. Anyway. To those of you who have been watching my vlogs consistently, I don't usually upload or take a video of myself crying, but I swear, bumapatak na lang talaga siya ng kusa every time I think about today is my last day here in the US. And then going back to the Philippines. We'll be in long distance for a few months then before we see each other. So yun lang. Ito lang yung hindi ako emotionally prepared na kasi my friends and family knows about this na wala naman akong naging boyfriend na ganitong alam mo yun, set up na super saya ko everyday in long distance. So it was just a little different right now. But anyway, so yesterday, diba, I made the chicken katsu curry. Ako, beshies, I'm promised that's the first time I've ever made it. And I was even so surprised kasi ang sarap niya. So yung golden curry, kasi marami yung chicken stock, nilahat ko na yung golden curry para mas maging malapot ng onte. The only mistake that I did is sana naglagay ako ng onting ginger Ewan ko, parang dagdag aroma lang siya. Konting ginger and, tawag dito, konting ginger and konting cornstarch. Kasi gusto ko pa siya ng mas malapot. But yesterday, here's the video pala nung mismong niluto ko. Hindi ko siya nag-video gamit yung camera, but I took a video gamit yung phone ko.
Oh, grabe, sarap ng dinner namin, guys. Ang galing ko na magluto. Ito yung na-discover ko dito. Magaling pala ako magluto.
So, ayan. Ayan yung niluto ko kahapon. It was so good. The katsu was so crunchy. So, niluto ko lang siya. So, yung batter niya is flour, 2 eggs, salt and pepper. I added a little chili powder para may konting kick. And then, I also added cornstarch. So, ayun yung mixture ng batter. And I also added nor na dinurog. Kasi wala dito mga MSG. Or I've never been to the Filipino store kasi so hindi ko nakapaglagay ng konting magic sarap. So nor cubes na lang na dinurog yung nilagay ko. And then panko or of course yung breadcrumbs. So dinip ko lang siya, ikinote ko lang siya sa breadcrumbs ng todo-todo. And then I deep fried it sa low heat lang para at least sure ako na maluluto talaga yung mismong chicken. Kasi tinry ko siya i-pound pero hindi ko siya mapanipis ng sobra. So yun, sobrang low heat lang siya. And then doon naman sa mismong curry, I sauteed onion, garlic, I added the potatoes, the carrots, and then, yung carrots, guys, diba, ganun na siya, slice na siya. And then, I added a little pepper, tapos yung chicken stock, which is malasa na siya, guys, yung chicken stock. And I think the golden curry itself, yung cube, is malasa na. I thought nga matagal siya malusaw but paglagay ko nung golden curry na cubes, natutunaw na agad siya. As in, hindi ko na mahanap yung mismong cube. So, I just added 5 of those kasi nga, malaki yung container or yung lutuan ko kahapon. But it was so good. I was even amazed myself na sobrang sarap niya. Anyway, so yun yung vlog natin today. And then later, I will just go to Target one last time para sa mga last na pahabol na pabili because they already paid me. And then, I will organize again my bag only because dun sa luggage ko na to, dun sa isang malaki kong luggage, everything was very tiny but heavy. Doon naman sa isa kong luggage, more on clothes siya. So, meaning to say, malaki yung nakukonsume niyang space, but magaan. So, 17 kilos lang yung isa ko. Ito naman isa, pa 21 na to. Marami pa akong ilalagay. So, I will do just some quick repacking para lang sure na 23 yung luggage ko para mas even siya. So, yun, that's what I would do today. And it's actually a very, very gloomy day. By the time I'm filming this, I heard that there's typhoon in the Philippines. So, sana everyone was safe. Anyway, it's just heartbreaking for me and all. But we got this. We will survive another long distance. I'll end the vlog here because I have to charge the battery of my camera. I will do the vlog again tomorrow for my other, chika-chika. Natitrib niyo ba yun? Lakas ng kulog. But anyway, so tomorrow I'll do a little chika-chika for, another cooking serie. This time I'll show you talaga how I cook it. I'll try my best, okay? But because this is another first time for me. But this one is a little easier kasi may prepared na sauce. But anyway, I'll show you that on my next vlog. Thank you so much guys for watching, and thank you to those who have been watching my US vlog consistently. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for supporting me. I appreciate each and every one of you. Do not forget to hit like and subscribe sa aking YouTube channel. Follow and like my Facebook and Instagram page. Ang link ay nasa description down below. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, i-comment nyo lang guys, and I'll try my best to do a vlog about it. Alright, stay safe, stay happy, and stay healthy sa inyo ang buong family. God bless us all, and see you on my next vlog.